Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Field Employ Agency in the Philippines, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yeah, ma'am, I can.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come back here again in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
His friends, ma'am, have.
Friends. Okay. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, my name is Julie Ann Labao. I'm 35 years old. I have five kids. I live in Cagayan Valley, ma'am.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. You mentioned that you are 35 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Uh, Single, ma'am.
Single mom or single with live-in partner?
Yes, ma'am. Single with a live-in.
Okay, when is your birthday?
Tomorrow, ma'am, May 1, 1989.
Okay, advance happy birthday. So, what is your height
Thank
and
you,
your
ma'am.
weight?
5'2", and then my weight, ma'am, is 68.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
What, ma'am?
What is your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school
Yes,
graduate?
ma'am. Elementary graduate, ma'am.
Okay, you mentioned that you have 5 children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My live-in partner, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
35, ma'am, and he's a fisherman.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience here in Malaysia, correct? Way back
Yeah, ma'am, 4 years.
2017 to 2021 for 4 years, and you finish your contract with one employer only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Chinese family, Indian family,
Chinese, ma'am. Chinese.
Chinese family? Okay, can you describe what are your responsibilities to your previous employment here in Malaysia?
House, ma'am, all around. With
Okay,
I taking care of the kids.
okay. How old is the children?
Uh, I forgot already, ma'am. They are, for example, ma'am, they are grade 6, grade 3, grade 1, and then kindergarten, ma'am.
How many children did you take care?
5, ma'am.
5 children in Malaysia here.
Yes, ma'am.
5 children. Okay, you didn't remember how old are those children?
Now, mama.
Way back before.
Um, Say 9,
Okay.
7, 6, ma'am.
Okay. And the other two, how old?
Uh, the one is months, maybe 6 months like that, ma'am.
Okay, the other one is 2 years old
Because
or three?
before I go with my employer, ma'am, they only have 3 kids.
Okay.
And I finished already 4 years. They
Oh,
have a
newborn.
baby.
Okay.
Two.
So they
Yes, ma'am.
got two
Yes.
newborn and you also take care, is it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh, while taking care of these children, you do cooking, laundry, and ironing also?
I'm not cooking, ma'am. I just cook by my own food, ma'am.
What about
Because
laundry?
yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay.
I do.
So what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines? Why you didn't decided like to continue working to your employer here?
Because I go back here, ma'am, because I already pregnant. So I cannot go. I can go back already.
Oh, so you mean that you go back in the Philippines and then you get pregnant in the Philippines, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So Julie, You already know what are the preferences of those employer here, right? They are very particular when it comes of cleanliness, right? So there is no such a thing that
Yes, ma'am.
you will just focus on taking care of children. You need to do house chores also at the same time because you already experienced it to your previous employer, correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yeah, can ma'am, but I can ask how many children that I can take care, ma'am.
Yeah, you can ask if there is employer that who will going to interview you. But for now, we are doing initial interview first, okay? Okay, so
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, what about taking care of elderly people? Are you okay?
Uh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you cook Chinese food?
Some, ma'am, some I can.
Some. Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yes. Okay. So, you have a 2 years contract, right? It's not 2 days,
Yeah.
it's not 2 months, and it's not 2 weeks. So, you know what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be the consequences once you will going to breach your contract. You need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody force you to come and work here again in Malaysia, right? This is your
Yes,
decision,
ma'am.
knowing that in the Philippines we are jobless. So for us to sustain our family's needs, we need also to come back again and to apply in any other countries. So you always think why you come to work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In usage of mobile handphone, are you aware also that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working?
That's okay, ma'am, but can I hold my phone when I finish my work? Night, can,
Yes,
ma'am?
nighttime, you can hold your phone and you can contact your family like 2 to 3
Okay, ma'am,
hours
it's
to
okay.
contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Ma'am, can I hold only my phone, mama?
It
But the
still
night only,
it
then
depends. It depends, Julianne. So I
when the
told you
employer.
every employer got different rules and regulations. Got different
Okay,
rules
ma'am.
and regulations, okay? So we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer because we are the one who need to adjust ourselves. Don't allow our employer to adjust themselves, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So on your rest day also, you cannot have your rest outside la. You can rest only inside the employer's house. You cannot go out. Do you agree?
Um, depend, ma'am.
Yeah, no, this is our rules and regulations. Whether you agree or not, we don't force people also
Okay,
to
ma'am.
come and work here in
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Malaysia.
Okay.
If you don't agree with our rules and regulations, then we don't force people also, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So our rules is like that. Every day you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working, but rather than during nighttime, you can hold your phone like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. And on the rest day, you cannot go out because knowing that COVID-19 is still ongoing, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so how do you normally fight your homesickness?
In my first time, ma'am.
Yes, normally every like for example, even no matter how many years we work in any other countries, right? Like for example, 10 years, 20 years, there is still some days that we might feel homesickness, and it will strikes us anytime. So normally, how do you handle your homesickness?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you handle homesickness? Okay, so Julianne, I just wanted to make it clarify from you so that later we don't have problem once you reach here in Malaysia. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank